Welcome to our channel Infotime.
The work of all kind of service dogs are very important, especially the cardiac service dogs work are incredible one. These cardiac service dogs are a type of medical service dog. They are specially trained to detect any changes in heart rate and blood pressure of their handler. Once they recognize such a condition, they warn their handler through pawing, nodding, barking, or any other actions. These dogs are also likely to notify a family member or lay down to prevent their handler from hurting themselves if they fall on the ground. Cardiac response dogs are trained to respond to the handler's needs after the event has occurred. The tasks that cardiac response dogs can perform are different. Some of them include retrieving medication, calling 911, laying down along with their handler, and comforting them, opening door, etc. Now let's see who can benefit from these cardiac service dogs. They are people who are dealing with different types of heart conditions like normal heart rhythms, aorta disease, coronary artery disease, heart attack, heart muscle disease, heart failure, stroke, vascular disease, pericardial disease. Even people dealing with irregular blood pressure can able to benefit from these dogs because generally dogs have good sense of smell. Now let's see how do these cardiac dogs detect the changes in heart rate and blood flow. Cardiac dogs are likely to use their strong sense of smell to recognize the chemical alteration that occur when a blood pressure or heart rate changes. They may be able to use their strong hearing skills to recognize whether the heart rate is normal or not. Now let's see how can a dog be trained to become a cardiac service dog. We need to remember that not every dog is suitable for the work as service dog, especially as a medical alert dog. The service dogs must possess certain behavioral features like being trainable, intelligent, easygoing, being around people, having a strong bond with their handlers, and having a calm and stable personality. Furthermore, some tasks require even more specific features like physical strength and robust bone structure. The strong obedience skill and showing a good manners while in public is mandatory for every service dog. When it comes to a cardiac or any type of alert service dogs, they would be more efficient in their work in their breed is long nosed. Once you find a dog considered appropriate as a cardiac alert dog, you need to know how to train him. The so called swab technique can be used for the cardiac service dog training. If you would like to apply this approach, you will need two swabs. One of them would be soaked in the person's saliva when changes in the heart rate or blood flow or any other cardiac symptoms occur. After your dog smells both swabs, you need to train him or her to notify you about the oncoming event through a signal like barking, pawing, nodding, etc. This process requires a lot of practice and positive reinforcement. It is known that already all kind of dogs have the good sense of hearing. So they possess the ability to sense the heart rate and blood pressure changes. So this ability can be enhanced and the dog can be trained properly to become a cardiac alert dog. At the same time, we have to remember that all dogs cannot be become a cardiac service dogs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.